Happy Friday! All week we have been working on connections to books and connections of books to ourselves. So earlier in the week we talked about text to self connections and how we relate a book to ourselves. So when I make a connection between the book I am reading and myself. Then we talked about text to text connections. When I make a connection between the book I am reading and another book. Today, you're going to find the last page that looks like this in your packet. It's not the last page in the packet, it's the last one of these pages. My story connection. Go ahead and look for that. All right, I'm going to move mine down so you can see it. The first thing we have to do is the title of the book. So we have to write Sheila Ray the Brave. And yes, we have to uppercase it because not only is Sheila a proper noun, but it's also the title of our story. Sheila Ray the Brave. And once I write it, I will move my hand out of the way so you can see it to copy it. Sheila Ray the Brave. I underlined it. So you just finished listening to Sheila Ray the Brave, and I hope you were really focused and following along because today you are going to do this page by yourself. You're going to think of your connection to the story or to a book, and you're going to draw a picture. And then you're going to write about what it made you think of. Okay? Also, up here, instead of writing the author, let's cross that out. And over here, we're going to write text. So the book, text to, and then you're either going to write text or self. Okay, so you're either going to write text or self. I'm writing both of them so you can copy one of these. So you're either going to write text to text or text to self. Not both of them. Pick one of them. How can you relate to Sheila the Brave? Do you connect it with another text, another story? Or do you connect to it text to self? You're going to pick which one is for you. Which one of these has a connection for you, text to text or text to self? Once you have that written down, then you're going to start with the rest of the page. You're going to draw a picture of what the story made you think of. So if you're comparing it to yourself, your picture should illustrate that. If you're connecting it to a text, your picture should illustrate that. Once you finish that part, you're going to scoot it up. What did the story make you think of? Write about it. So do you remember how we started it all week? This story this part right here, we always use part of the question and our answer. That's what good writers do. This story makes you. Oh, did I want you? Nope, I'm just going to cross it out. Makes me. This story makes me, because I'm writing it, think about. Okay, I can't write the rest for you. This is how you're going to start your sentence. This story makes me think about, and then tell me what it makes you think about. How did you relate to it? How did you connect to it? Was it text to text or text to self? Once you're finished, add it to Seesaw. Please make sure your picture is not blurry. We need to be able to see the lovely work that you did, your picture and your words. So make sure we can see all of that before you hit the check. So one more time for Sheila Ray the Brave, the story we just listened to, are you connecting it by text to text or text to self? Once you figure that out, you're going to illustrate, and then you're going to tell us about it. You're going to write about it. What does it make you think about? Then upload it to Seesaw. Great job all week making connections to stories. That is what good readers do.